Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in prerequisites. Back up your entire site and export the database because you will change core URLs. Once done, log into hosting and open phpMyAdmin or get FTP access so you can edit files directly. Make sure to copy the current WordPress address and site address values for reference and keep your admin credentials handy. This prevents accidental lockouts and gives you a rollback path if the URL switch misbehaves. You now perform the change. Try Settings General in WP-Admin and update WordPress address and site address, then save. If the dashboard is inaccessible, make the change in WP-Config. PHP or run an SQL update on the WP options table to set siteURL and home. Once done, use WP-CLI or a serialization-aware search replace tool to update internal links and serialize data, because naive find and replace breaks serialized entries. Make sure to clear caches after replacements. You finish by flushing permalinks and testing the front end and admin area, because URLs in menus and widgets often need refresh. Once done, update SSL, CDN, and any hard-coded links, and scan for mixed content warnings to avoid browser blocks. Make sure to purge all caching layers and check Search Console or Analytics settings. If something breaks, use your backup to restore quickly, or log in via database to correct siteURL/home values. That single fix resolves most lockout scenarios.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.